Today it's Wednesday. What's the date? The what, baby? It's 13th.
The 7th.
No, 13th of March. Okay, pinika po sila. Mag-grocery kami. And eto, may dancing. You ready, Baba?
Yeah.
Punta muna kayo dito sa Intersport kasi si Sak, bibili siya ng short for footy kasi bukas training na. Start na ng footy training bukas. Yung binili namin sa kanya last year, maliit na. Diba? Ang bilis na lumaki. Dito rin binili last year. That one? Okay na. Dalawa yung kukunin natin kasi si Kuya TJ din, kailangan niya din. Size 12, both size 12. Okay. Is that size 12?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hatid niya si Holly sa dance, tapos mag-grocery
Am I
kami.
downstairs or upstairs?
Sa dancing, just check the first floor first, Holly. Okay? And Zach, watch your sister. Siya na lang maghatid kay Holly. Is she downstairs?
Yeah.
Downstairs? Okay. Let's go. Pause na tayo. Come. Kinakain niya na yung aming binili na. What do you call this? Crisp? What's this? Chili and lime soy crisp. Meron na siyang price na weigh na natin yan. So, okay niya nang kainin. Pero hindi pa natin sila bayan. So, ito na. So far yung mga nakukuha namin dito sa Coles. This one's up?
Why do they feel like real bright?
Huh?
They feel like real bright. Remember we used to get this one? Remember we used to get this? Oh, I this one. $2.60. That looks good.
Get two. Only one left. Okay, that's enough for now then. Slowly. Water. We need water.
Yeah, I'll go grab it.
One more.
Hang on, the name of that.
Yeah.
That said he wanted chocolate.
Tapos na kayo mag-grocery. Ayan yung mga nakuha natin, guys.
You have your flyby.
Flybys. I don't have my flybys.
What, did you lose it?
Tapos tayo mag-grocery. Pick upin na natin si Holly.
Go put the thing.
young, and we didn't wanna be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes.
Kami, binababa pa yung iba. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night. Good afternoon.
Thanks, guys. What a great race again. Congratulations to them and Mark from the running. 2 years in a row. The cup will win one day. Great to see a great crowd here tonight. We love people always great about how easy we always
noise.
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud. In another time, in another place, we could be lovers that.
Got your fan on for you.
Are you hot, baby?
Oh, cool down. You going to shop centre?
No, because he has...
Shavers.
Okay, I'll get you one then.
Just get a drink or something, bring home.
Okay. You're hot, baby. You have to change now. I got your
Oh,
clothes.
Mom, I forgot my drink bottle at school.
Why? Aw.
At my desk.
Oh, no.
No, I was rushing.
Oh, I say ya.
Okay, see you. Bye. Love you.
Where's X on the bus, by the way?
Yeah, but.
Okay, bye-bye. You're hot?
Yes.
And I have water
Why
here.
do we have to do sports on Monday?
Oh, did you?
And we was outside in the oval.
Oh, it was really hot.
Yep. Oh yeah, this is nice and cold.
Hi. See ya. Good luck. Are you done changing, Baba? Okay, change your clothes now,
Need the
please.
water.
Alright.
Where's the lid?
I got it. Change. Where are we going, Zach? Where are we going? Good morning. Today's March 22. Dito tayo sa event for Sapsasa na to, guys. Good luck, Zach. Friend niya yan. Nung nandun pa siya sa dati niyang school. Kabali niya talaga yan si Mom. Hi.
Right there, it is.
Si Zach na.
I've got it on video. Just that. Yeah.
Is he in the high jump and all that too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go. Style.
Go Suck. Go Suck. Go Suck. Go Suck. Go Suck. Go Suck.
Good one.
Good job, Suck.
Great jump.
No water for Cody, just keeper and sand.
None for me. What? Never mind, don't get one for Cooper. No, Cooper doesn't want one.
The next result I have today is for the 9-year girls shot put, and the winner from St Martin's College is Asha Merritt with a winning throw of 5.73 metres. Good to see Asha following in the footsteps of her mother, who was also a terrific shot putter. Sophie Frosty, Beatty Park.
Go Suck. Go Suck. Go Suck. Push.
Straight to
I want a drink.
Yeah, we'll get that after you eat that.
Here, look, I'll tell you what.
You're first?
What?
Long jump. Good job.
Zach,
Going to
what are your high
Adelaide.
jump
800 then 5,000.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't want to do that.
Nice super jump record too, Mark. Yeah. Perfect.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Like we normally jump on like these. Is it ready to do it again? Where'd you get it like
Good job, Suck.
Come on, Zach! Asha, you have the... Come on, Asha! Good, Asha!
127.
Everybody takes a long time to get it. I think we can get it from that before it falls. Come on, Zach! Yeah! How many meters? 30. Also, we should do it in the grass. I bet I could do it back. He has to jump at
133.
That's about yours.
Good job, Saki. Last na si Saki. So, tingnan natin kung kaya niya to. Meter 35, this one. Wow! Good job. Oh, that's all right. Try.
No, because if they
Siya na lang.
he got me 136.
Almost. Oh!
36 centimetres. We've got Zach Howard. So well done to all competitors. Zach, you have to run that to the. Are you in a 200 metre final? That's okay.
Okay.
Year boys are away in their 200 metre final. Just be careful crossing the track there, please.
Go, Sak! Go,
So
Sak!
we've got a very strong performance out in front here.
Not yet. Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Sak! Go!
Stop. Okay, let's take two for the 11-year
Go,
boys now on the
Sak!
track
Try,
now
Sak!
for the 100 metres.
Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Sak! Go! Go, Sak! Go, Sak!
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till.
Good morning. Today is March 23, Saturday. Si Jan may golf siya mamaya. Pero bago siya mag-golf, nililinis niya yung car ko and ipapolish niya. Tapos nakikita niyo yung gulong. Papapalitan niya ng mugs. So ngayon yan ang itsura ng mugs ng car ko. Kasi sa Tuesday ata, sa Tuesday or Monday, papalitan na to. So ngayon, nire-ready niya yung car ko. Ayan yung itsura ng mugs niya. Pati doon sa dito din. Ayan. So, may in-order kasi siya and dumating na yun. So, sa Tuesday or Monday, hindi ako sure kung Monday or Tuesday. Kasi sa Wednesday alis kami. So, Monday or Tuesday siya papalitan. So, dadalhin niya to doon sa malaking shed kasi ipapolish niya muna. Sobrang linis ng car ko. As in, pinacuum niya. O, diba? Sabi ko, sobrang linis. Nandito kasi yung asin ko. Ayan. Pinacuum niya na to. And meron pa doon. Oh, hindi pa yan tapos. Hindi pa siya tapos dito sa car. Dadalhin niya to doon sa malaking shed. So, pero ayan, malinis. Wala nang kalat ni Holly. At yung mga anik-anik niya dyan. Ayan, guys. Magpapas siya nito for Easter. Baka manalo siya. Okay. Show me your work again. Okay. Can I give it to her? Here. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
She just wants to drop the...
Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Thank you so much.
So we don't have to cut the name?
No, we need that
Okay.
in case you do.
Okay, thank you. We don't need... So, ayan na yung itsura ng car, guys, after mapalitan yung mag. So, kanina lang na umaga. Umaga pa naman, pero mabilis lang naman siguro yung paglagay. Kasi nandito na si Jan. Ayan na yung itsura ng car. Diba, dati silver yung ring dyan. Ngayon, ayan na yung mugs na bago. Closer. Ayan. Sobrang happy ni Johnny Boy sa outcome ng kanya. Akin yan na car, guys. Pero siya nag-maintain. So, sobrang happy siya sa aming family car. Ayan. Ito yung kabila. So, ayan. So, bukas, babiyahe na yan. Pupunta tayong Adelaide. Magstay tayong one night kila Race. Then, the next day, alis kami. Mag-holiday tayo kasama sila. So, yan. Yan yung ating bagong mugs. Ganda siya. Naghahanap si Jan ng silver pero wala siyang nakitang silver. Tapos black sana yung dot na yan. Dapat black tapos silver yung ring. Kaso wala. Wala na raw na ganun. So, yan yung nakuha niya. Which is okay lang kasi maganda and ano siya, magmamatch doon sa aming caravan. So, yan. Happy ang Johnny Boy. Oh, ayun siya. Happy yan. Doon siya. Papausok doon. Nagpapausok. And yung loob. Ayan. Nilinis niya rin to. Diba? Napakita ko ba nilinis niya to? Ayan. Ayan yung wipes. Wipes yan dito sa leather seats. So yan guys.
Cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? Cause I know I can't get to you.